Now we're looking at everybody's favorite, finance. In this particular slide, you need to communicate to the investors that you can paint the financial future of the business for the next 12 to 36 months. So that's really what you want to communicate. That's what you want to do. You want to paint a picture of what your financial business life will look like for the next 12 to 36 months. Most people would argue that you should stay on 12, but if required, you could paint up to a 36 months picture. What you do is to clearly list the revenue sources. This is really crucial because I see a lot of people coming to pitch their business to investors and never really clearly state where the revenue is going to come from. So what I mean is to create like a bullet point and say, okay, number one, the revenue source will come from direct sales, and this is the amount. Another place where the revenue will come from could be your sales from partners, and this is the amount. Online sales, this is the amount. Subscription, this is the amount. So you just clearly state where the money is coming from. This is really, really important. I cannot overemphasize this enough. You must show the investor where the money is coming from, how much you expect to come from each source, and clearly let them know it. Then you can comment on possible future revenue. So what I mean by that is this: if you're a consultant and you're going to be doing it one-to-one in the beginning, but then later on you might start doing workshops, you might start writing books, you might start you might gear your business towards another industry that could produce an additional income. You can comment about possible future earnings as well. The next thing you got to demonstrate is how the numbers really work. So how much do you need? What will you need the money for? Make a list. Make an itemized list of what you need the money for. Clearly state what you're going to need the money for, and clearly state exactly how much money you're going to need for your business. And you can calculate that by doing a rough cash flow forecast to help you to do that. So I'll see you in the next lecture.